I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a
Hey dreamers, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a wig review. Because I'm sitting down recording the intro right now, have no idea how this is going to go, but I'm really excited about this color, so we're gonna see. This is from the company, it's from an Amazon vendor called Sweat Curly Store. It's S-W-E-T, okay? So maybe that's how it's pronounced. I really don't know, honey. But anyways, this is their glueless straight synthetic wig. These titles are so long. Heat resistant long straight wigs, natural hairline with baby hairs, 24 inches. Here's the picture. It's giving, right? So it's retailing for $39.99. It is a synthetic wig. It's definitely shiny. I like this color though. Okay. Even after just like literally putting that on my head for like 5 seconds, this is what it's giving. I don't know, y'all. It's like so thick too. Oh my gosh, I really wanted this to be quick, but it's looking like this is going to be a little more maintenance than I bargained for. She needs to be thinned. She needs to be layered. Ugh, the whole 9 yards. Just rating it without even putting it on my head. I haven't put it on my head yet. It's not tangled, but it's gonna be. I can tell you that right now. This is gonna get a solid, 3 days wear out of it. And we'll just, we'll just fucking see what happens. So, this is what the inside of the construction of the cap looks like. The baby hairs, they're there. I'm just gonna make this as quick and as easy as literally possible because I'm tired and I want to get this review up, okay? And I want to get this tutorial, however this is going to happen. So because you always want to start with like a clean base and obviously no makeup on or on your face and stuff, I'm going to shower.
break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do, that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
So that it's nice and tacky.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. On yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Burnt, I don't know, the hair, I really don't know what that was, but I've had to brush it looks so good on camera because I'm so pretty, I get that, but like if you're doing anything that involves any sort of movement or existing, look at this. I would not suggest, oh no, this wig, or leaving coffee on your desk. Ah! Okay, now that I've cleaned that up, so all in all, I think it's a really pretty wig. I think it's a pretty color. If you just need to wear it for like, seriously, one night, $40, fine. Gets you to your house in 2 days, Amazon Prime, fine. But if you're trying to like have something even last for like a week, or even just like 6 days, 5 days, it's simply not gonna happen with this wig. But it can be slayed and whatever and whatever. So do what you will with that information. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.